Now in this question we have to select the persons from these available 7 men and 6 women, and we have to form a committee. Now this committee has one condition, and that is it should contain at least 3 men. 3 men should be there. So out of 5, 3 men if are there, if we write it like this, men and women. So out of 5, if 3 men are there, 2 will be women to make a committee of 5. If out of 5 we have to select at least 3, so maybe more than 3 also could be the eligible. So we can have 4 men, 1 woman, or 5 men and 0 women, right? So while saying this, what we said, 3 men and 2 women, 4 men and 1 woman, or 5 men and 0 women, right? So this logic we will apply here. Now since it is actually part of selection, it is the problem of combination. So we have to use here the formula C. More specifically, it is NCR, which is equals to n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. So let's write the formula here. So 3 men we have to select out of 7. So it will be selected like this, 7C3. And is there, so multiplication. 2 women we have to select out of 6. So 6C2 will be the formula. Plus, why plus? Because it is OR. 4 men, so 7C4 into and into 1 woman, so 6C1 would be the selection, plus, since this is OR, 5 men, so we have to select 7C5 multiplied by 0, so it will be 6C0. Let's expand this by using this formula. So after expansion we will get 7 factorial upon 7 minus 3, that is 4 factorial, into 3 factorial, multiplied by 6 factorial upon 6 minus 2, 4 factorial, multiplied by 2 factorial, plus 7 factorial upon 7 minus 4, 3 factorial, multiplied by 4 factorial, multiplied by 6C1, so 6 factorial upon 6 minus 1, that is 5 factorial, multiplied by 1 factorial, plus this term 7C5, 7 factorial upon 7 minus 5, 2 factorial, into 5 factorial, and 6C0 is nothing but 1. Okay, let's solve this further. 7 factorial, we can elaborate it like this, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. This we can cut, and 3 factorial can be 3 into 2 into 1, multiplied by 6 factorial, so 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, that we can expand, and 4 factorial here we can also cancel, into 2 into 1, 2 factorial is 2 into 1, plus 7 factorial is again 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 factorial. So this 3 factorial can be 3 into 2 into 1, so we will write it like this. Then multiplied by this term 6 factorial into 6 into 5 factorial upon 5 factorial, and 1 factorial will be 1, plus 7 factorial is 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial is 2 into 1, multiplied by 5 factorial we can cancel, multiplied by 1, that will be negligible. Let's do the simplification. 4 factorial will get cancelled, 3 2s are 6, and this 6 will get cancelled. 4 factorial here we can cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are, then here 3 2s are 6, 6 we can cancel, 4 factorial we can cancel, 5 factorial we can cancel, here also 5 factorial we can cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are, and this way let's write down the remaining terms. So remaining is 7 and 5, 7 into 5, and here it is remaining 3 and 5 into 3 into 5, this one is remaining, plus 7 into 5, 7 into 5, and here 6 is remaining, plus 7 into 3, that is 21. Okay, let's write it down further. 5 3s are 15, 7 5s are 35, so 35 into 15 plus 7 5s are 35 into 6 will be the term here, and plus 21. So this 35 into 15 will be 35 into 10 will be 350, and half of 350 because it is 5 also. So that will be half of 350 will be around 175. So 175 plus 350 will be 525. 525 will be the multiplication here, and 35 into 6, 30 into 6 is 180, 6 5 is 30, so 210 will be the multiplication, plus 21. And all this, if we add 1 plus 0 plus 5, 6, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, and 2 plus 5 7, 756 should be the final answer, which is option D.